Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to invert your controls on your controllers for your PlayStation 5 games on the PS5 settings. So you don't need to do this in the game. You can do this from the settings easy. So let's go to settings right here, scroll on down, and then go on down to where it says save data and game app settings right here and select this. Then go to game presets and you can change the difficulty. You can go to 120 frames per second mode if you got that. Otherwise, we can go to first person view. Select the vertical and horizontal camera movement settings for first person view. So we can go to the horizontal or the vertical. And what is it? I think most people would want to change the vertical. And we have the option for normal or inverted. And it kind of gives you like a little picture over there on the left here, where it's going to show up or down. And then the normal is over here. And then we have the option for third-person view. If you're playing third-person games, like single-player games or something, you might want to go ahead and change that in this area too. And we have this one for horizontal, so that's like the left and the right. Vertical is up and down. So you don't have to change that order in the game or struggle to find that setting in the game. It's on the PlayStation 5 settings. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.